Howdy, my name is Alex Borg, and I'm doing a presentation over the grasshopper. And for the purposes of this presentation, I'm using the American grasshopper, which is Schistocara americana. So its natural habitat, it's found in the eastern United States and northern Mexico. And the American grasshopper thrives in grasslands and fields, such as the one shown in the background in this particular slide. So, what does it eat? What does it feed on? The American grasshopper, it's an herbivore to begin with, and they feed on a variety of grasses, leaves, and crops, and they have very strong mandibles to help them chew through some thick plant material. Predator-prey relationship. They serve as prey for birds, reptiles, spiders, small mammals. So here I have images of an owl and a lizard eating grasshoppers. And they're smaller insects, but they provide great source of protein for a lot of these animals. Um, and because they are herbivores, they only feed on plants. But as a result of that, they help control plant populations and contribute to nutrient cycling in their habitats. So, what are some unique evolved traits of the grasshopper? First, we have color polyphenism. The coloration of the American grasshopper nymphs changes based on environmental conditions. Um, so, as you can see here in the top left, um, you know, based on the environment that they're in, their color will change. It's kind of like a chameleon to a lesser scale. Where they grow up, they're more likely to adopt the colors of their surroundings. So clearly, this one grew up in a greener area, and this one grew up in a browner area, and this is just to help them survive. Um, and it's largely changed based on environmental conditions such as temperature and density, and it helps them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators because everybody wants to stay alive. And they also have a really great jumping ability. Um, the American grasshopper, like other grasshoppers, have very powerful hind legs, as you can see right here. I mean, they're just compared to the rest of their body, they're huge. It allows them to jump really big distances and allows them to escape threats and again survive. The tree of life. So the American grasshopper belonged to the order Orthopetra within the class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda, and they are part of the larger group of protostomes. So, what is their ecosystem importance? So, um, they help maintain plant diversity by feeding on various species and serve as a food source for many predators. Their presence in the ecosystem indicates a healthy ecosystem, and they play a role in soil aeration and nutrient cycling through their feeding and burrowing activities. It's really important to aerate that soil so that way it can continue to thrive. And they're also one of the big issues in terms of the relationship with human beings. They're huge agricultural pests. Um, Grasshoppers are significant agricultural pests. Large populations can cause extensive damage to crops, leading to reduced yields and economic losses for farmers, which is not great. And in extreme cases, swarms of grasshoppers, called locusts, can devastate entire regions, leading to famine. Again, not good. They're also a food source for some people, and in many cultures, grasshoppers are consumed as a source of protein. And here are my sources. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Have a great day.